In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and optimize a pin on Pinterest. Whether you're looking to share creative ideas, promote your brand, or just connect with a community of enthusiasts, Pinterest is an excellent platform to visually express your interests and ideas. We'll go through the steps of creating a pin and tagging products to enhance your profile and drive engagement. First, let's start by opening your web browser and going to Pinterest. If you're not already logged in, you might need to enter your credentials. Once on the home page, you'll notice the interface is designed to inspire creativity and exploration, so take a moment to enjoy the visual feast. Now direct your attention to the top left side where you'll find the Create button. Give that button a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Pin. This is where the fun begins, as you'll have the creative freedom to upload your media and craft your pin. Once you've selected Pin, you're ready to start uploading. You can choose a photo or video that resonates with what you're sharing. This media is crucial because it's the first thing people will notice. Choose something high quality and eye-catching. Next, add a compelling title. Think about the core message you want to convey to your audience. What's going to grab their attention? Write this in a way that's concise yet engaging. After the title, dive into the description. Here you can provide more context about the pin. Include additional details, interesting facts, or a story that enhances the viewer's experience. Remember, keywords are critical for discoverability, so incorporate ones that relate to your content. As you're adding details, you'll observe an option called Tag Products. This feature is brilliant for those looking to market and sell products directly through Pinterest. Click Add Products, and you'll have the chance to enter relevant information concerning the items you want to tag. This is particularly useful for businesses and influencers who want to connect their audience directly with products featured in their pins, turning them into an interactive shopping experience. Spend some time searching for the right products or add your own to make sure everything aligns perfectly with your pin's aesthetic. And that's it, you're done. Once you've reviewed your pin and made sure all elements are in place, simply hit the Publish button. Now your pin is live for millions of Pinterest users to discover, save, and shop from. Feel free to revisit your board anytime to update or add new pins, ensuring your Pinterest presence remains fresh and engaging. Congratulations, you've now learned how to create a powerful pin on Pinterest. Thanks for following along with this guide. Happy pinning!